Levi, it's so crazy and surreal to me that our big day is actually here. You're my safe place. First person I want to tell everything good, bad, irrelevant, and funny thing to my bestie for the Rusty. My hero. The person I want by my side through all our days.
They say death is nothing to fear. It can be the most wonderful experience of your life. It all depends on how you've lived it. God led me to you that December night and told me you were the one, and we never missed a beat after, maybe one or two.
I hope I can show you love in all the ways you've shown me daily. Through all the small things you think I don't notice or aren't a big deal, thank you for loving me and choosing to stick by my side every single day.
We are all imperfect human beings, and eventually we will run into misunderstandings, even with those we love. We will hurt others and others will hurt us, but if you can forgive a fault, love can be restored. So cheers to our big day. Everything will fall into place. I love you forever, Olivia, Levi, and Bella.
God knew my heart needed you, and I'm so grateful that my heart is in your hands forever and always. Libba cry. I, Levi, take you, Olivia, to be my wedded wife.
I, Olivia, take you, Levi, to be my wedded husband.
To have and to hold till this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poor.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Levi Cry.
Truth be told, they're the best couple a third wheel could ever ask for. I have no doubt Levi and you will find endless laughter and countless cherished memories. To the newlyweds, as we embark on this incredible journey together, always remember to cherish every moment, laugh often, and never stop supporting one another's dreams. Your love is an inspiration to all of us, and I have no doubt that your future is filled with endless joy and happiness. So let's raise our glasses to Levi and Olivia. Here's to love, laughter, and happily ever after. Cheers.
Levi is the calm to Olivia's storm, her biggest cheerleader and the most go-with-the-flow person I have ever met. all essential qualities when marrying a religious girl. So please raise your glass and toast to the Cries. I wish you two a lifetime of wedded bliss.